Okay, Mom, it's recording. So what do you think you would say this warrior cat's name is? Now, it doesn't matter if it's right or not.
Lucifer?
Okay, moving on to the next one. Here we have one of my favorites.
Aww, Shadow.
Okay. Here we have another one of my favorites.
Orange.
Okay, orange. That's a pretty good one. Pretty good one. And this one is a really popular one. Not more popular than the first three ones I showed you, but it's pretty popular. Anyways, what do you think her name is?
Ouch.
Okay. Okay. So.
Snowball.
Snowball. Okay. And next, and I think
Galaxy.
Galaxy. Okay. And here we have the last one. You can probably guess by her markings. Well, at least the first part of her name.
Spot.
Okay. So I'm going to tell you them now. This is Leopard Star. This is Spotted Leaf. This is Cloudtail. This is Brightheart. This is Firestar. This is Blue Star, and this is Scourge.
Scourge.
Yes.
That looks like a scourge.
Okay then. Bye peeps. Hope you enjoyed this very short video. Want to say bye to the sticks?
Bye to the sticks.
Anyways, bye guys.